NPP for kwa muye yudodo. Munya Ghana sika mu de yenya ma papa too much. A whole country has
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana Nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
oh NPP for kwa muye yudodo. Munya Ghana sika mu de yenya ma papa too much. A whole country had only a whole Ghana, you know, only 50 ambulances was saying. Mobile ambulance am ko toye papa. Over 300. Yen fan ko constituencies, yen fan ko babia. Tesa mo di ade efe de yamufu. NPP for party efe too much. NPP for party efe too much. Because unim NPP for ye Ghana for. Ghana for the akunya ni maya yen fen diago. Ye the ade bre Ghana for like we go above and beyond. We go above and beyond. Now so them say yeah Ghana for na be brene because oten and I did be and your lack of research into no Emma Ghana for most anything be any ye atro edi and you say near GD a dream man pamacha somewhere say Usel3ss research we and your ding be true wadri na say about to be true wadrian call phone Google be yamau e say don't get yes because Ghana can leaders into work me go Google na yimame easy. Usel3ss, we are nothing. Just go do your research before you vote, because elections have consequences. And a young girl of 27-year-old wako because now penny ho either onyem or kowo and penny wako 27 years old. Is to make us say, hey, she wager yes brand new, fully equipped. Machines gum kwa me children's hospital kwa was Seattle ha. Now machines are me who children's hospital me who ebo wager am say, hey, it's almost the same thing oh. Ghanaians deserve it, right, Mr. Mahama. Koneko be not nekofa nurses, nekofa specialists for them ko yejuma. I didn't pokwa sawe jampuka ambulance esa so sie nim dada. Te say dia ye bi bia mamu easy. Mo ba mo betu bi bia sika wo ho, gold wo nti munim dia mo ye mo ho. Mo betu sika sada. Enti me de bia meka. 2020 ina ye ko 2020 ye kon e do and die. E ko e be fa so bia e be NDC for ye free se e fa so ne yo mo free ho. Se be say you say an sign no time kwa be kwa you be yebi. Near the doctor be the president of Ghana because we can't let these brains just go like that. Mas a Ghana problem near John Dramani Mahamo. John Dramani Mahamo since a bet snaps with a Ghana problem till now. It's more into Usel3ss konekoda na dwen. Why? Timpacho more from come that was. Bow the other
from public opinion that will say change it. Let's then have a new paradigm in Ghana.
Is that something you would get behind?
I think that it is something that is bound to happen. And when that happens,
what's going to provoke it? What's going to make it happen?
Oh, it's the activity like elsewhere in the world. Like elsewhere in the world, the activities of individuals, of groups. I grew up in England. I went to school as a young boy in England, and I grew up at the time in England when homosexuality was banned there. It was illegal, and I lived the period when British politicians thought it was anathema even to think about changing the law.
Enti sa okay ye papa sa same way NDC for Eddie campaign pa because okasa Nana Akufo-Addo say it's bound to happen. So be careful. Sabre no it's bound to happen. Say nyankophobia ebeba NDC for at that time mode campaign NDC for mode campaign sa is bound to happen mode ye neati krom ha ye nyina so support mu ekeka bi e kire ye papa Nana Akufo-Addo say hey papa when your opportunity where from that noise catch yourself one sign na dey na okeka nyoma bebrebe na say o man nkofo no akwanya.
All right, Nana Kwabe Bedas, Papa, we, see. Be the big to us watching now. We know dear, we know dear, we know dear, so ochina yame duma ochina video ba konso beba audio no so no crowd about 20 minutes mean to be body nyina boy no no bro no sa no sabote kwan alfa so dinua solo didua bi wo fie o ye friend solo ono na cheso bu ECG staff no dinua solo regional minister amwakwen dinua solo ochina audio na mebo no de obeti solo no etietem sane ye minister kasa sane ye minister kasa no mo bo staff no no odakra na enso so nkasa ma me peni din kra ma mo ECG fo wo pedo na nkasa keke twantro mopa bonkohwe eye staff no na mo bisado ma ECG fo omo ne ndamanta ma na omo kopie fie omo de no omo nim se eye franka mo akoine efie enti video na ni yeyi no omo biye mi ade no so omo kopie hodom na chese obi ba ho se who born dog na wo dim se regional minister na wa hada o wian kane ano na mo maba hadom na chese mo ba be ye de ba de yampene be so ochina voice a be body a china no it spans be 20 minutes mean to me mbodi nyina ba me no de tip of the year na be de about
emrani na wo na madam Usel3ss apenyo mark ye nyina ka se na musa se bi o san kwase asemwe ye de hwemu ye de NDC force there beach from George ye nanim se bo float and the catch there said the law is perfect and Richard Sky peace there be City FM journalist this there be
me say me catch the play na you playing fa say NDC for in this case we ni pa bonifo China America no
Ojene da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan Akufo-Addo Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni na me yama mo na abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact their equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look say your hospitals and they go sana no me wumi say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya it is a scan kwa kede was say botumi we say oh I mean say almost NPP for ya konfo ne ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort a comfort ma facilitate me so be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo kekam kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for ne nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians ne nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho marketing men o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete Nancy bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibi ayen nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bi invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open ko nkete is any one you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Region Y0uth ma say o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Region Y0uth mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam 1 which is never true
onya adwuma order and onya juma wo hoda ama nam 1 for the first time nam 1 I post oh yes nam 1 I post
ya no catch obi say dipa ne boa
o si sa asem na this for the first time nam 1 akwa pe ba bia akoda na nam 1 yes na che say was in who kura dwiri ni say state institution a we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain mo ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omo statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry a koda I feel the old defendant I feel also by us say any mokra meda mempemubium a jumara nankasa me penachino. We invite in our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Our journey. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about
na me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP.
And
this state institutions are oh on Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my